we've got Catboy in his car. Look how stylish he looks. You a bit tired, Marley?
Yeah.
A bit tired? Who we got next? We've got Owlette. Owlette in her Owlette mobile. Looking very good. And then we've got Gecko Boy in the Gecko mobile. They're driving around. They're having a nice day. Oh no, Marley. There's a dinosaur, Marley. What are the PG Masters going to do? They're being attacked by a dinosaur. Oh no, that's a little bit violent. They're meant to just be scared, but they're just driving around trying to get away from the dinosaur. Oh, Gecko Boy fell out of the car. Oh no, what are we going to do, Marley? Oh no, the dinosaur is eating Gecko Boy's car. Where's Gecko Boy, Marley? Oh no, here's Gecko Boy. Oh no. What about Owlette? What's she going to do? Where's Owlette? She's just standing by. What about Catboy? Oh, it's got Marley. Oh, the dinosaur's eating Gecko Boy. Did you know that a gecko's a lizard and a dinosaur is also a lizard? Did you know that? Oh, Gecko Boy jumps. Oh no. Oh, it's a slide. Oh, they're friends now, are they? So Catboy's going down the dinosaur slide. There we go. Who else is going down the dinosaur slide? Oh, Owlette went down the dinosaur slide. Here's another Gecko Boy. Oh, the car's going down the slide. Oh no. What's going on, Marley? Oh, now the dinosaur's eating the car. Oh, very tasty. I think I'll eat the transmission. Oh, what's in there, Marley? What can you see in the dinosaur's mouth? Oh, there's Catboy. You want a bit of help? There we go. Oh no, look. Catboy's being eaten by a dinosaur, Marley. Oh no, what will we do? Oh no, poor Catboy. You going to save the day, Marley? How are you going to save the day? Oh, the dinosaur's eating Gecko Boy. What about Owlette? Here's an Owlette.
Save Catboy.
You saved Catboy. Oh, what about Owlette? You've got to save Owlette now. Oh, Gecko Boy to the rescue. Oh, fingers too. I'm going to eat some Marley fingers.